Tariki 5 mweri wa gatatu ni muthenya wa mwanya bururi-ini wa Kenya gukorwo ati niguo muthenya uria mundu wa mbere amukirite njanjo ya AstraZeneca ya kugiririria virus ya murimu wa COVID-19. Thutha wa guthecwo njanjo ino ari wa mbere, murugamiriri munene ruhonge-ini rwa ũgima wa mwiri ndagitari Patrick Amoth nierire aruti a wira thibitari-ini matikagie na undu oro wothe wa gwitigira njanjo ino.
It has undergone a robust and rigorous testing process. So all of us who qualify for the vaccine should come forward and get the vaccine.
Muthenya wa Jumatatu ya kiumia twerekeire nirio njanjo ino ikambiriria kuheanwo thibitari-ini nene cia kaunti. Mutambo wa mwanya uria uthondeketwo ariguo kuhuthika kwandikithia ari othe mathecetwo.
The system will enable the Ministry of Health in vaccine traceability, thus ensuring that our stocks are professionally managed. It will track and manage vaccination schedules. It will help in the routine, the reporting and addressing of any adverse effects.
Akenya ingi maronekana matiri maraigirwo biũ ni ndeto igie njanjo ino. Ministry ya ũgima wa mwiri ikiuga gutire na mundu ukuhinyiririo kuheo na ari othe mekuheo ndigukorwo ikirihirwo.
Be offered for free to all Kenyans, especially the vaccines that we are going to get from the COVAX facility and also the vaccines that we are going to procure through public funds.
Njanjo ino irambiriria kuheanwo riri bururi wandikithitie arwaru angieru 400 aria monekanite hari ithimi 5,000 na 189.
Tukipewa hii chanjo bado tutaendelea tu kuvaa ile barakoa, kuosha mkono, kwa hata ukidungwa saa hii mwili wako uta take time kutengeneza zile kinga kamili za kukuzuia kupata magonjwa.
Andũ 77 nio mahonete murimu uyu, ona gutuika andũ 3 nio mongererekeire ithabu-ini ria andũ aria moragitwo ni virus ino. Ngiribotera Inooro TV ritwa riakwa ni Wambere wa Macharia.